Hi guys, what's up? It's Lisa. Welcome back to the channel. Okay, as you can see from today's title, I have a unboxing sneaker type video. All my sneakerheads, tap in. I'm not a sneakerhead for real, like I like to think that I am, but there's still so many shoes that I need to add to my collection. If you have not seen my sneaker shoe collection video, that will be linked down below. In that video, I show y'all literally every sneaker in my closet and where I get them from, and putting you guys onto like smaller sneakers that are often slept on. But anyways, today's about this unboxing, okay? I have my package right here, and as you can see, it's already been unboxed. One thing about me, y'all, is I'm gonna open this package. I'm sorry, I'm not gonna wait until the camera, and I'm not gonna lie to you and act like I didn't open it, but what I did do is I kept everything in its original boxing, and I'm gonna give you all the details and everything. But let's just get into this. So just a little background info. This is the recent drop from Adidas. They dropped their slides called the Adilette 2022. I believe they have a previous version, but this is their most up-to-date version. It's very much trendy and very much with the times. These slides kind of gained popularity due to their Yeezy-like appearance, and they also raised controversy. My man's Kanye was not feeling it because it very much kind of is giving Yeezy slides, like in terms of colorway, but we'll talk about that a little bit later. But due to popularity, them slides sold out. I'm talking every single colorway, every single size. So because I wasn't able to get them when they dropped directly from Adidas, I got mine on StockX. Let's get into the unboxing, then I'm gonna tell you my StockX experience and how much I paid and all of that. I'm not gonna lie, I forgot I even ordered this. I saw the DHL tape and I'm like, who ordered something from China? I got this from StockX. This is the box it came in. They generally usually have like a discreet packaging because people like to steal shoes. And then within it, they have like some bubble wrap. And then we have so this is just the box. It's just the standard Adidas box. We don't have no type of special crazy design. Y'all have probably seen this a million times if you've ever shopped from Adidas before. This is actually though my first pair of Adidas slides. It's actually like my first pair of slides ever. They packaged it up real nice for your girl. It came with this wrapping around it. And as I told y'all, I stuffed it back in this box so it didn't look this damn straggly and scary. But yeah, this is the slide. It has some ridges along the entire shoe, even on the bottom and on the actual inside soles of the shoe. And I believe like it's entirely rubber, very much similar to the style of the Yeezy slide. There also is some wording detail on the outer sides of the shoe. It just has the Adidas symbol and it says the brand with the 3 stripes. We love it, we love it, we love it. Of course, we have the StockX verification, which really don't always be verifying, but we're not even gonna get into that. If you know, you know. That is basically the unboxing of these shoes. I think they look great off of first impression. So let's get into the details on how much I paid and the colors and size and all that. So I did get these shoes for a total of $98.90. I got a size 6 in these because I'm usually a 7.5 woman. So when you transition that over to men's, it's a size 6. These shoes are classified as unisex though, but the sizing runs like how men's sizing runs, and they don't have any half sizes. So you either a 6 or you a 7 or you a 8 or you a 9. You feel me? So outside of that, I paid a total of $98.90, but the actual shoe was $79. Then you know StockX has all these extra fees, $5 processing fee, $15 shipping, which is nuts, but I digress. And the colorway that I got this in is called gray. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but it definitely is a little bit of an off-white color. Honestly, I think the colorways look great, but they are very much giving Yeezy slides. I did say I would touch a little bit on the Yeezy slide controversy, but not too much because that's not what this is about. Basically, Kanye made a post on Instagram. I'm gonna try to insert a screenshot here, but basically Kanye accused Adidas for releasing these shoes that very much copy the Yeezy style aesthetic. Now, I don't think they're entirely the same. If you look at the side-by-side comparison, clearly these shoes don't have the exact same shape as the Yeezy slides. They also have a little bit more texture to them. Do I think it's similar? Yes, in terms of aesthetic, but I don't think it's the exact same design. Now, in terms of should I get one or the other, if you're on a budget, I definitely would say get the Adilette 22s. They are super cheap. They are super cheap, and I honestly predict that the price is only gonna go up. The prices are still pretty good on StockX and GOAT, depending on your size. They range anywhere between like $50 and $80 at most. Now, in terms of the fit of the shoe, I think this shoe fits a little weird, but again, it might be because I don't have any Yeezy slides, so I'm not really sure how a rubber type shoe like this is supposed to fit. I'm generally a size 6 in all things, and because they don't have half sizes, it made me even more skeptical to go a size down, because you know how slides be, y'all. I do feel like it is a little bit big, especially on this overlapping area like that goes over your foot. I feel like it's a little roomy there. I don't know if my foot is just too skinny or what, but it's very much a little bit spacey for my liking. Like I could definitely feel it as I'm walking, but when I do wear socks, I don't feel like it's that big of a deal. But you know, I would love the option not to wear with socks. But that is it for this haul, unboxing, first impressions, all of that. Okay, I'm gonna rate these honestly a 9 out of 10. It would be a 10 out of 10 if the fit was perfect, but it's close enough. So 9 out of 10 for me on these. I'm gonna be on the lookout for some other drops, for some restocks from Adidas. I'm gonna be on the lookout for some releases of some new colorways, because I'm loving it and I'm gonna get every pair. Until that Yeezy slide price go down a little bit in my size, I'm gonna rock with these for a little bit. I honestly think it's a great alternative and a great addition to your shoe collection, period. Let me know how you guys are feeling about the slides. If you have them, what colorway do you have them in? Also, let me know if you think Adidas is giving scammer. Like, let me know if you think that they look exactly like the Yeezys, or is Kanye bugging out? I kind of think he's bugging out, but anyways, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
I would never live a life on a computer. I get you life for